Hey, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alan Diaz, and I want to invite you to our school in Riverside. Si hablo español, y también tenemos los clases en español. So what I basically said is, hey, we speak Spanish and we have classes in Spanish, but this is an end of the year special. This is how to get your contractor's license, end of the year special, 2025 in Riverside, California. Now this special, before I talk about how to get your contractor's license, I'm going to go into the details of that, but I want to tell you a little bit about our special. First of all, we cover every license. This is our pamphlet. You could always request this if you want this, but it lists all the licenses in the entire state of California, from your general engineering to your general B, to your plumbing, electrical, flooring, painting, roofing, so on and so forth, right? All your C licenses, even down to the 20 D licenses, which are things like glass blowing. You want to get your glass blowing license? Come on in, we got your back, right? But there's 20 of those. I'm not going to bore you by reading all those. You can get that information even on our website at contractorlicensenow.com. Now, the important thing is this. Through November and December, we want to pass down our special gratitude. We're very grateful. We're coming up to Thanksgiving, celebration of being thankful for being alive, right? And Christmas. We really love those two holidays, and we want to pass down our gratitude by passing it to you, by blessing you with a discount. And it's going to be a good discount. We're going to give you that, and it's going to be better than any other school out there, right? That's the key. But it ends December 31st. After that, you turn into a pumpkin. Now, you don't really turn into a pumpkin, but you're going to want to get that, right? Here's the important thing, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to that. For example, if you can't start in November or December because things are slammed, hey, good. I hope things are slammed for you, meaning I hope you have so many jobs right now, you are making so much money that you're going to get some really good gifts for Christmas for your children. I hope that happens, right? But at the end of the day, if you can't start because you are super busy or you weren't planning on it, you can put a deposit down for $200. Now this special is only for 2025, right? After December 31st, on January 1st, this does not apply anymore. Those discounts will go away, and it's going to be full price. But you put your $200 down, and then you can go, okay, I'm securing my spot for January. That way you could start after the holidays. We got your back. We're going to get you in here. All right? That makes sense, right? So that's our special, ladies and gentlemen, and so we're inviting you into that. Now, let me just touch base on a few things about getting your license. First of all, you need good information. And there's a lot of it out there. We're the school that's going to help you with that. You can just give us a call. We're going to help you with the information on getting that license and making sure that you know everything you need to know. The second thing is you need to choose a school. Why our school? Well, I believe in Blue Ocean. Why us? Why us over other schools? Well, a couple reasons. Well, I think that number one is that we have the best curriculum. We actually wrote it because we saw what distributors were writing and thought, you know what, we can do better. I was an elementary school principal for 5 years in Mexico and an educator here in the U.S. For a season until I realized that, well, construction, I make more money. And so, and that's good for you, right? The key thing here is that's one of the benefits of us. We've written the curriculum. It's designed specifically to help you to learn at an easier pathway. And when you see our curriculum, you're going to see it's unlike anything you've seen. It's awesome, right? The other thing is we create a video for you when you're done and you get your license. Did you know no other school does that? No other school creates that powerful video that when someone calls you up and they say, hey, can you come check out our job? Can you be here Friday? And you're like, yeah, that's in 2 more days. You mind if I send you a video to show off our work before we get there? Think about that. No other contractor does that. The contractors that graduated our school do. All the other schools, thanks for playing, because they don't do that for you. We do that for you because we want to create your why. Why should other people choose you? People are going to choose you because you showed off a video that demonstrates your quality where nobody else does. So we're actually creating your blue ocean, your why other people will choose you. The second thing is we have a website we built out called Home Pro Works, and that Home Pro Works is a place where hoteliers, restaurateurs, they would call us and they would say, hey, do you have any contractors we could recommend? We're like, in the past, we're like, no, we don't know them. But now we just say, hey, To all the licensed contractors that went through our school, you chose us, so we choose you. Other school contractors don't get to go through that and get listed on there. You get listed there, and then these people find you, and you get to find jobs, right? So now that relieves like that tension, like how am I going to find work? Well, you're going to find some of that work from there, right? And the next thing I want you to talk about, so that's just one of the many reasons why you should choose our school. The third thing is the state requirements. So there are three. They're super simple. You have to be over 18. You have to have a valid social security number or an ITIN number. And you have to have 4 years of experience. Well, we got your back. Here in Riverside, we got you. You come on in. If you have those, then the next step is let's get your application turned in, right? Well, check this out. That application with all the instructions is like over 30 pages, something like that, right? You don't need to read an entire freaking book just to fill out that application. We're going to do that. We're going to fill that out with you. We're going to make this so easy for you. It's unbelievable. All we want you to do really is we want you to focus on studying the material. We want you to focus, whether it's English or Spanish, we want you to focus on that and watching our videos and reading our material. If you do that, you're going to pass the state exam the first try, right? And so you let us do the leveraging of the hard work. We're going to do the application, make it super simple and seamless. The only thing we're going to have to do is we have to give you the certificate of work experience, and that's a specialized document that we give you. You take that and have a contractor sign off for you, or maybe you don't want the contractor boss man to know, so you find someone who worked in that company and you have them sign off for you, maybe a foreman, a supervisor, or even just an associate. You can even have an architect or anybody like that sign off for you, or even a homeowner, right? We'll go through the details on that. Hey, that's the easy part, right? Just getting someone to sign off for you, that's not a big deal. Once you do that, we're going to take that application, we're going to send that off to the state. They're going to send you a letter back, says, hey, your test date, now you get to book it. So you're going to go to the website they tell you to, and you get to book that. And you don't have to book both tests in one day, because that's like an 8-hour day. Now you just basically go, you know what? I'm going to take the law and business this time. So you book the law and business, right? You prepare for it. You go take the test. You pass the test. And then you can book a month or 2 months later if you want, depending on how much more time you need to study. You book that next appointment for the trade. Now, here's the beautiful thing. You only need about a 67 to a 69% to pass. Isn't that great? That's like a D minus. Yeah? Reminds you of high school days, some of you, right? Some of us, right? But here's the cool thing. You can miss like 35 to 38 questions on that test. So you do the things right, study our material, pass our test, boom, shakalaka, you got this, right? And so after you take your test, you pass, then you're going to get your final packet, get that from them, and they're going to ask you things like, hey, are you going to need work comp? Are you going to have employees? Do you need general liability? If you don't need those things, we're just going to check the boxes. You're going to have to take an asbestos book test, which is an open book test at home. We got the book, so that should be easy for you. Not a problem, right? We honestly even have the answers to that test, so you're golden, right? You take that packet, put the information in, send that off, and then you're going to be licensed within 4 to 6 weeks. Done deal. But I want to remind you the last thing. The last thing is important for growing any kind of business, and we're going to give you a lot of powerful business principles to grow and scale your company. But you want the BAM going, branding, advertising, and marketing. Get that website going, get that marketing going, set up that social media, get you listed on Google, all that stuff. If you got someone to do that, more power to you. We have an entire team that can help you with that. We just wanted to make sure that you know that you're not alone, and you can get this done, and you can achieve greatness, because we're here to help you. Our path truly is your success. My name's Alan. We look forward to seeing you at this end of the year special in our Riverside school, right over there on Riverside, right off the 91, Contractor License School. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.